Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel and Happy New Year's. So in this video, I will be showing you guys where you can get fireworks or like sprinklers on Dress to Impress. So this is a new item. Also, I am loving this hair. You are going to go to this area and you'll see it next to the scarf. You're just going to select put on, and as you can see, you get this cute sprinkler. You can also change the toggle to both hands or extend it if you'd like to. I'll just go with both hands, and you can even change the color, which I think is so cool. Go to palette and select the color of your choice. I'm going to select this purple one to match my outfit. Sort of, you can make it a little bit darker. But yeah, that is it. That's how you can find fireworks slash sprinklers on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!